Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and today I'm going to show you how you can get the cursors from macOS on Windows 10. So this is pretty easy to do. The first thing you should do is visit the link in the description of this video and download the cursor file from DeviantArt. The file downloads as a zip file and you have to extract it first. Once you extract it, you'll find that there's an install.inf file inside the folder. Right-click the file and select Install from the context menu. Now you need to enable the cursor, so to do that, open the Settings app and go to the Devices group of settings. Select Mouse, and then on the side or somewhere along the bottom you're going to see an option called Additional Mouse Options. Click that and a new window is going to open. So this new window is the Mouse Properties window, and on this window you want to go to the Pointers tab. Here there's this Scheme drop-down. Open it and select El Capitan from the list of schemes. Click Apply and then OK. I'm going to show you the beach ball cursor that appears when the system is busy. I'm just going to launch this app and it takes a little bit of time to start running. So there you see the beach ball cursor. To delete this cursor, select the scheme and then click this delete button down here. If you want to go back to the default cursors, what you have to do is again open the same mouse properties window, and from this schemes drop-down select one of the cursor schemes that starts with Windows. I'll see you later with more tips and tricks for Windows 10.